During the pandemic, many of our students left the state and returned home. We started to notice abandoned bikes on campus. Time went by and the bikes gathered dust. And so, we decided to do something. We watched, we waited, and when the time was right, we put our plan into action. Taking inspiration from the university's well-established partnership with Hobart Bike Kitchen, we began to donate the bikes to Launceston Big Picture School to be used for their long-standing program, Bob's Bikes. An initiative that teaches high school students to restore rundown bicycles. Not only allowing for hands-on learning, but also teaching business skills to its students. Along with the broader community, we purchase Bob's refurbished bikes and redistribute them to students in need. The University of Tasmania is proud to partner with Hobart Bike Kitchen and Bob's Bikes with its Recycle program, and together work towards a more sustainable future.